Hey guys, so today you're going to be doing input stations to learn about force. And so to start your stations, you're going to click on this blue link here, and it's going to open up this Google slide. So I'm going to give you directions for each station in this video. And there are 4. So the first one is watch it, and you're going to click on this link right here, the YouTube link. And when you click on it, you should be able to click on this video and watch it all the way through. And when you're done watching that video, you're going to answer these questions over here. So like number 1, what is one example from the video of a balance force? Be specific. You're going to answer that right here because it has a number 1 by it. Number 2 is going to be answered here. And 3 is going to be answered here. When you're done with that, you're going to go to the next station, which is read it. Now this is read it part 1. You're going to read this excerpt right here that is over on this side, and then you're just going to type or even draw notes. If you want to draw, you can click on the scribble button, and you can, on the scribble button up here on the toolbar, and you can draw. But if it was me, I would just write. And then when you're done with that, reading this, you're going to go to the next read it, and you're going to basically read this and then write a definition of these 4 words in your own words. So like you're going to read this and then write a definition of balance force. Read this and write a definition of unbalanced force. And then read over here and write a definition for direction and speed. And when you're done with that, you're going to go to the last part of the read it station. This one's pretty long. You're going to read the question, like number 1, you're going to read this multiple choice question and put your answer here. And all you have to do is put A, B, or C. You do not have to put the whole answer, just A, B, or C. And when you're done with that, you're going to go to Explore It, the last station. So for this part 1 of Explore It, you're going to try to make a balanced force. So in order for you to do that, you just have to click and drag the weights. And like the scale isn't going to move. It's just like, oops, you're just going to have to make your best, like use what you know about balanced and unbalanced forces to make a balanced force here. So I'm going to drag this back over here. Now in part 2 of Explore It, you're going to look around the room and find an object that you're capable of moving by yourself, and then answer the question to number 1 here. Answer the question to number 2 here. And then the very last thing you're going to do is go to this link right here. So you just click on it, and then you can click on that link. And then you're going to follow the directions here. And so finally, what you're going to write on this slide over here is the the answer to question number 1 right here. So after doing this little interactive lab, you're going to answer this question using observations from the lab. Describe the difference between a balanced and unbalanced force. You'll write that right here. Okay, and when you're done with these 4 input stations, you're going to exit out. And on your canvas right here, there will be a button that says submit. And you're going to submit it.